like we're on our way to get the RV. Yeah, land pirate. So we're in Casa Grande and we are just a couple. Good advice. So, yeah, there's some work that needs to be done. I don't know what any of this really is. Like, there's a lot of buttons and switches and a ladder. I now own a ladder. There were 2 closets here that I already demoed out the first day because they fell over when I was driving. So yeah, those are gone. They were really flimsy and just, I mean, if they're gonna fall over while I'm driving, what's the point? And also I don't want them in here. This is a twin, and I am going to put a queen, if not a king size mattress in here. I just pretty much want this to be bed. You know, bedroom. I have a crazy idea about opening up the back window, like literally cutting the opening larger and doing something like a door that I can open, which would be really nice. I don't think that's really possible, but I don't know yet. So bathroom, turtles, turtle. And hell yeah. So there's a long mirror moment. Never seen that before. And these are things. And yeah, you know what I'm thankful for? It's the little things in life. Come on, focus on that. There we go. So, no carpet in here, and I'm grateful for that. And then, it took me forever to figure out how to push that button, by the way, like way longer than it should have. So, there's some issues here in the shower. Major gappage here, and the foam looks not so great. So I am doing this first. Well, not first, but one of the first things I'm going to do is the bathroom. And I have an idea for vinyl sheets that look like tile. I was going to tile, but yeah, I don't want to deal with tiles breaking off and all of that. And if you can't tell, under the mat there is no floor, so as well. And it looks like there were some nice little mice here. Yay, mice! I actually used to own mice, so I don't mind them. Just don't poop all over my house. So yeah, and then here is. Anybody knows what that's about? Please tell me. So, God, I can see it leaning. Never mind, don't tell me. Yeah, there's the stove oven, which is nice. And I think that's an oven, right? Yes. And then the microwave, which I don't even have in my apartment. That toaster oven, which is going in the trash. Then that amazing hot water heater, 18-liter instant hot water heater. It's like, boom. That right there was why I bought this. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, no, not really, but yes. So here is a lot of plastic, a lot of just little tiny pieces of cuteness, and then a lot of unfinished stuff. What is this for? What is that? What is this? I just keep asking myself, what is this? Oh God, and then the wall. So I'm probably gonna have to take down all these cabinets, all of them. I was gonna redo the faces, like take them down and just get new faces, because I ain't feeling the 90s vibe. I grew up in it. Flashbacks. Could not tell. This whole wall is just a wrinkled fucking shit pile mess. It's completely rotted underneath. Like, there is no... You know what pisses me off? Whatever. But they installed that fucking heater. They had clearly seen what the fuck was going on back there and just slap paint on it. Like, I don't know why you would... Like, what is the point of this? Really. Anyway. So, it got worse, too, because we're looking here. He did reseal the ceiling, so there are no leaks now, but he didn't fix any of the other stuff, which, you know, whatever, to each his own. So, if you look here, it looks like he just slapped tiles, marble tiles on the back. Which, if you look up here, you can't call that a day. Like, that shit is fucked. Like, look at that. So yeah, I mean, I can ignore it. I understand why they ignored it. It's a pain in the ass, but at the same time, like, why would I if I'm gonna be redoing this? So yeah. And then the overhead bunk does not have the bottom slide out, so it doesn't turn into a queen anymore. It's just a twin, but it's there. So and yeah, and was some water damage here also, but I am pretty sure, I don't know what that is. I'm pretty sure I'm going to do pallet wood, or not pallet wood, but a vinyl plank on my ceiling, and just kind of try to cover things up that way. I don't know, I'll have to talk to my brother, see how plausible all of my ideas are. Yeah, I don't want to stick my hand in that hole. Who wants to volunteer to stick their hand in my hole? In that hole. Oh, I'm done. So I'm gonna go to get some coffee and the dispensary, because I literally have zero anything, and I'm not about to do all this with zero anything. So coffee, the ganja, and I'm gonna get this windshield washed off, I think, because it's gross, and maybe vacuum, I don't know. I don't think vacuuming is really the way to go right now. Help! Send reinforcements. So yeah, floor, kitchen. Oh yeah, the dinette. I just totally glossed over the fact that there's just a fucking shit pile here. So the guy took apart the dinette and then put there was like an office chair here that I dragged out already, and then he had this desk moment going. This was the tabletop, but he cut into it to let the desk through. Those are batteries to the cell, or to the solar, that I don't have, because he took the solar panels. So I don't know. So help me. Should I get solar? Should I not get solar? I'm going to be running computers. Like, you know, I have cameras, phones, laptops, freaking iPads. I have children. So should I get solar? Should I not get solar? Also, the generator does not work. It works, but only when you hold down the button. So you literally have to hold down the button the whole time for it to give power. So if anybody has experienced this, please let me know, and how you fixed it. I'm going to have my brother look at it, of course, but you know, if you've already experienced this and you have the answer, thank you. And oh no, secret doors, secret doors. Secret tunnels that I can't open. Jesus Christ, what the fuck? This is like okay, that's well, not gonna happen. Oh, fuck yeah. Ah! Cool. I'm gonna repaint this, put hooks, jewelry, put a mirror. I'm gonna hang a little mirror right here. I'm probably gonna like do something inset here and then hang the mirror right here. Hooks, mirror. No, I'm gonna actually, sorry, I'm slamming shit. I'm crazy. I'm gonna put some, I have 2 paintings up in my house that I want to bring with. One is a painting that a woman that I love dearly did, a reverse glass painting of a parrot. And then the other one is a, I don't know if it's like really from there because I got it at Goodwill, but it's a, oh gosh, I'll have to insert it. And I gotta smoke because I'm clearly not all here yet. Thank you for following me along in my spastic adventures. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I do respond. And like, comment, subscribe, and let me know that you like everything, and turn on that little bell so you get to see what I post.